Good afternoon, this is Brad Langman from MarineMax Lake Norman. I'll walk you through a 23-foot Harris pontoon cruiser model. Moving backwards from where we are, you can see the in-floor storage. It's a very large area. Self-contained pump for pump out. Store all kinds of noodles and wet gear. You have storage underneath every seat. It always self-drains overboard. Cup holders, nice plush seating, speakers up front and in the rear, forward entry door, port entry door. Moving back here to the dash, we have a Bluetooth Fusion stereo, charging port for your phone, fuel gauge, speedometer, digital depth gauge, tachometer, and trim gauge. This boat has a mechanical 150 horsepower outboard. Cup holders everywhere, like I said. Moving back, you can see the SL layout. It's a single helm chair with a single lounger layout in the rear. You have a tow bar back here, towing, tubing, skiing, whatever. A 150 horse outboard. You also have a big trunk area back here for storing all the goodies. And you also should ask about the 10-year Harris bow to stern warranty. 12-foot bimini, it's in the F position now, but it's a 12-foot bimini. Come check us out, Lake Norman MarineMax. Be happy to help you.